Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Centaur Elise TV and I'm back with another weekly vlog. So I just seasoned some turkey meat. I'm gonna make some turkey burgers and yeah, I'm excited. So my work week changed, so tomorrow I start work again, so I'm just trying to prep for work. And yeah, but yesterday I cooked some good chicken. I'm so sad that my face breaking out too, my eczema child. But yeah, I'm so sad that I wasn't able to record it or go how I look. But I cooked some jerk chicken with some sweet potatoes. It was so good. I didn't even know I cooked like that. But I'm excited. And then today I'm gonna do some turkey burgers, and I'm gonna put those the wall decor that I shared in my not previous vlog, but the one before that. I'm gonna put that up. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my turkey, and we're gonna go ahead and start putting it on the grill. So yeah, just cleaned up too, so the vibe is nice in here. So I seasoned it, and now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the stove. Not on the stove, but on the grill. This grill.
Oh, your mercy never fails me. And all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment when I wake up until I lay my head, I was full of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful.
I just finished, well, my boyfriend just finished putting this up for me. Thank you, babe. How do y'all like it? Tell me what you all think. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hey.
So I have visitors. They came over.
We're gonna get a vlog. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yes, the baby's so cute. Say hi, Zane.
Hi, Zane.
He like, whatever. But yeah, I'm so glad they came to visit me.
Yes.
We're gonna do this more often. Yeah.
Family, motherhood, beauty, lifestyle, but I'm just getting started, to be honest.
Yes, just getting started.
Yeah.
And we're excited for what's to come. Period. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Centaur Elise TV, and I'm back with another week in the life vlog, or daily vlog, weekend vlog, weekly vlog. Yeah, so I'm about to go pick up some food from my boyfriend's house because they be cooking and it be so good. So my friend and her fiance just left. I love their beautiful family. I'm so happy for her. She just got engaged. She has a YouTube channel that she should have posted by now, so I'm gonna link it below. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my girl channel. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be faith, lifestyle, family, all types of things for her. She has a beautiful voice. And I just love her, so make sure y'all go ahead and support her. They just left and we had a good conversation. We talked, we can relate. I'm kind of happy because I feel like I need more friends. And I don't be having no friends, and I feel like me and her are so much alike, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, what else? Y'all like my new headband? I got this new headband wig because, like I said, I cut my hair, so I literally just threw this thing on and it looks so pretty. It's so natural. It's like a natural vibe, just like how I like it. But yeah, so I'm headed to do that, and yeah, I'll catch up with y'all a little later. If you haven't tuned into my previous vlogs, make sure you go ahead and do so. But yeah, I'm really thankful and blessed, and that's on me. Guys, I just met my boyfriend's mom. How'd it go, babe? Did I do good?
Yeah, she did good.
Yeah, I did good. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be learning how to cook that good old Jamaican food. But yeah, I'm excited to go home and eat. And you got some, what kind of sauce you got, babe?
White chocolate mocha sauce.
From Starbucks?
Yeah.
So instead of spending money, we can make our own stuff.